Good morning, guys. Welcome to Ian Cooking Show. Now I'm cooking chicken a la pobre. First, I put the butter, melting the butter, put the garlic, place the garlic. Then I made my homemade chili sauce with tomato sauce, chili, and my secret all ingredients by me. I won't tell anyone. Then
because it's secret, you know.
Then the garlic's already deglazed. Put the chili sauce that I made. Smells good. Then mix. Make it hot just to make the spicy out. Smells good. Nom 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 nom. After this, season with salt, pepper, and I took my chicken in the oven. Wait. This is the chicken I made. First, to make it good and nice, I steam it first. Then I season salt and pepper. When I come back, when I season it, I put it in the oven for 250 degrees Celsius. Then 20 minutes each side, so 40 minutes all. After this, kalas. After I reheat the sauce, put in there, kalas. Mwah. Thank you so much.
That's it, chef?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to my sponsors, Colgate, also Pop Ice, my favorite food. Thank you so much. Pop Ice, Yellow Cup, all the fast food in the world. You can copy this, my recipe. Very nice, so delicious. Yum yum yum, amazing.
Okay.
Bye bye.